Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete apps on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. I'm using Windows 11 and you guys can also work on Windows 10. So let's get started. You guys have to simply tapping on settings. So in order to open up settings, you guys have to simply tap on start or you guys have to search for settings. So after opening up setting here, you guys have to simply tap on the app section. In Windows 10, you guys have to simply tap on app section wherever you can see. So after tapping on app section, you guys have to just simply tap on installed apps. In Windows 10 and Windows 11, both are same, but their interface will be changed. So don't worry about it. You guys have to just simply find out the options which I am using. So you guys have to simply open up apps, and here you guys have to simply tap on the three dots of the application which you want to delete. So let's suppose I want to delete Genshin Impact. So I have to just tap on three dots and click on uninstall, and tap on uninstall and click on yes and click on uninstall. So in this way you guys can delete any application on Windows 10 or Windows 11 except system applications. Windows does not allow any user to delete Windows applications, so you guys can just delete any of the application which you have allowed by Windows. So that's all for today guys. Hope you would like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.